Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install mods in Stardew Valley. So first of all, you want to close the game completely, then go to the browser and go to nexusmods.com and find SMAPI Stardew modding API. So this basically will allow you to add mods to the game after you will install it. Once you have installed it, you want to go ahead and unzip SMAPI to your desktop, for example. Now open up this folder and find your operating system. You're going to choose install on Windows, double click on it. Now, if this will happen for you and it's not automatically selected, the directory, you want to go, for example, I use Xbox, and you want to find your game. After that, you're going to click three dots and manage. It's the same basically on Steam if you're using Steam. Then go to files and browse. And here adds on Stardew Valley, and here it is. You want to go ahead and copy the path. Now you're gonna add it right there. Click enter, and now you will need to install SMAPI. So you're gonna click 1, and here it is. Now you're gonna need to copy this path. And if you are on Steam, you're gonna right click right there, go to properties, and here you will see launch options. So you're gonna go ahead and enter this path here. If you are on Xbox like I am, you're gonna go where your Stardew Valley is, and you want to go ahead and find a Stardew Valley exe file. So you want to go ahead and rename it to other names such as Stardew Valley Original. Now you want to make a copy of Stardew Modding API exe file. So this one, you want to go ahead and make a copy of it. And you want to name the copy Stardew Valley exe file, and of course add the space here so it would look like an original one. If you want to add mods, you're gonna find mods folder right there where you just did those changes. Open it up and you're gonna go ahead and add the mods. So to find the mods, you're gonna go again to the same website. After downloading your mods, you want to unzip them in order to upload them there, and you're gonna just go ahead and drag it to the mods folder. Now all you need to do is launch your game through Xbox application, click play. Now you will see this option here, and as you can see, the Stardew Valley is running on SMAPI with free mods. And that's it. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.